Fun study fun. Smile math.
Hello, friends. Today is quiz time, a subtraction game with 10. Our special guest today is Daisy the Bee. Let's cheer for Daisy so she can answer all the questions correctly. Alright, let's get started. There were 10 forsythia flowers in full bloom. One of them floated up into the sky. How many forsythia flowers are left?
The answer is 9 forsythia flowers. So 10 minus 1 is 9.
Bingo! Daisy really loves learning. 10 azaleas were blooming beautifully. 8 of them disappeared. How many azaleas are left?
The answer is 2 azaleas. So 10 minus 8 is 2.
Wow! Daisy is amazing. There were 10 cosmos flowers. 3 of them fell to the ground. How many cosmos flowers are left?
The answer is 7 cosmos flowers. So 10 minus 3 is 7.
Bingo! Daisy is the best. 10 lilies were blooming brightly. 6 of them withered away. How many lilies are left?
The answer is 4 lilies. So 10 minus 6 is 4.
Wow! Another correct answer. 10 morning glories were dancing in the wind. 5 of them floated away into the sky. How many morning glories are left?
The answer is 5 morning glories. So 10 minus 5 is 5.
Bingo! Looks like Daisy is going for a perfect score. 10 daffodils were blooming beautifully. 7 of them jumped into the pond. How many daffodils are left?
The answer is 3 daffodils. So 10 minus 7 is 3.
Wow! The daffodils look so lovely. 10 violets were shining brightly. 4 of them teleported into space. How many violets are left?
The answer is 6 violets. So 10 minus 4 is 6.
Correct. Today's math game was a big success. Thanks to all our friends cheering for Daisy. She was able to solve all the quiz questions. Thank you, everyone. Now let's say goodbye while listening to a fun song.
Let's start a fun math game. 10 minus 1 is 9. Forsythia blooms so fine. 10 minus 8 is 2. Azaleas shine with morning dew. 10 minus 3 is 7. Cosmos dance in fields Daffodils sway so free. 10 minus 4 is 6. Violets bloom by river bricks. Let's start a fun math game. 10 minus 1 is 9. Forsythia blooms so fine. 10 minus 8 is 2. Azaleas shine with morning dew. 10 minus 3 is 7. Cosmos dance in fields of heaven. 10 minus 6 is 4. Lilies grace the garden floor. 10 minus 5 is 5. Morning glories reach and thrive. 10 minus 7 is 3. Daffodils sway so free. 10 minus 4 is 6. Violets bloom by river bricks. Let's start a fun math game. 10 minus 1 is 9. Forsythia blooms so fine. 10 minus 8 is 2. Azaleas shine with morning dew. 10 minus 3